Kingsley! No.
The man gets no more boss. Settle the man. We go to settle the man. Small. Arrange the bill. Full final full stop. Drop our gun. Full, final, full stop.
It don't do. They don't do their worst. They don't kill her today. They don't fit kill her again tomorrow.
Don't be Kingsley. After the 50,000 naira where I give ASP George, we still keep Kingsley and Kele. Oh, Kele. Oh, no. Police. Waiting. Eh? For this town. Not before this town. I go show all the police where they this town say, now maybe Lawrence no mind that more. I mean me. Every policeman where they this village, I go show them. I will use their bed plus paint wall. Now their blood I go take paint wall. Hish. Kingsley. Oh, Babake. Oh, Babake. Running. Hello. I know why I select you. I don't understand the business well. Time. We want to scatter the whole Benin. The whole Benin go here with this time. The whole Benin go see Oba. Where they give us ammunition. All of them this time, I write their names for paper. So every one of them this time, we go scatter all of them. We go scatter the whole Benin this time. I know some I don't try. Osumbo, you don't try. Back up, give her to Ofege. Osumbo.
Nothing they have.
Apako. Ofege. This is the end. Running. Oh, you know me? You don't know me, huh? No. I said you don't know me? Okay. Now maybe Lawrence, no man yabo, and in me. Go! I don't want to kill you. Yes, sir. I don't want to kill you. The thing what happen be say, make I just give you mouth. carry on reach hospital? Yeah. When they carry you reach hospital, you go tell your guy say, now Lawrence Omanyagbon and me. Now he shoot you. Tell me that so. Now police now come for this side. Tell them now, God like that. Let's go.
Good evening. This is a government special announcement. A daredevil group of armed robbers have been terrifying the city of Benin. Investigations have revealed this man, Lawrence Anene, as the leader of the gang. A ransom of 10,000 naira has been promised to anyone with information that can lead to the arrest of these hoodlums.
My pikin, now so God and our ancestors come. Is there a cocoa egg? It not go fit win the fight between egg and the rock. The stone where the stone go meet a stone for up. It not the meter. The hand the way small pikin knack for stone. Now hand it to put on. Oh, but I'm going to put on.
Baba, you say you go give me one medicine. If danger they road, but you go give me sign.
Now that one we they call Ama. When danger they road, but they go give you Ama.
Baba, where's it?
I bring her come for you. I bring her come for you. Now him be this. Now this one they call a baker wejira. When she make pan, bed go.
Where's it, Baba?
So man oh walk papa zevokadi. Now one by one.
Where's it, Baba?
For you.
Baba,
But it now. Ah. There's no more better no man up to the Benaya. Drink up.
Baba, where's it? Where's it, Baba? Where's it? Oh, Baba, where's it?
Who say you no want take eye see you? He go put to chukuchuku for eye.
Oh, we have
all this we tell you.
Where's it, Baba? Where's it, Baba?
Come.
Oh.
Baba, where's it?
Baba, where's it? Where's it, Baba?
Oma.
Oh, Baba, where's it? Baba, where's it?
You know man up to say.
Where's it, Baba? Where's it, Baba?
Where's it, Baba?
Oh, Baba, where's it?
Emi lọ́gbà yẹ ká dàkà mi ọ̀run yẹn.
Where's it, Baba? Where's it?
Problem to the whole federation. This anime of it is becoming a problem to the Bende in particular and federation in general.
You know they fear your head when they talk any matter for me with the name. You know they fear.
It's true. I don't want to discuss about it, but the thing is disturbing me in my mind.
Okay. You know the one where they say you day before yesterday for market. As it's already they carry back purple. Begin to spray on beer. People they back like when they go obituary. I be want to go, but I dey fear. Why? They say if you just put back for wall like this, you just vanish.
This anime of a man, the guy is a spiritual. In short, the way they say he do vanish. I think the medicine is there, and the people that bring medicine from is not in this state. I believe.
I sure say na Yoruba land. Your people, not this get strong mercy well.
That is this one at the top of the breakfast. Who be Anini?
Abalu.
That small boy of yesterday for the just in the morning. They wanna go.
Is it Anini you are calling small boy?
Small boy now.
You see, let me tell you. Let me just drink my drink and go away from here. Because if he come here and meet us, you are using his mouth. Use your mouth to talk rubbish about him. In short, he will beat us so that our body cannot collect it. In short, that is, if he did not kill us.
Kill who? Look, let me tell you. If Anini come here and he see me, he go first tell me, Palayo. Look, he don't name me.
Man will leave.
I beg, get out. I'm not following you.
Slowly. You still sit down for here. They follow about they tell me they make I know.
Lawrence Nomajagbon Anini alias the law. I go really treat you. Domo. Let's go. No. That's much. We leave this to
Good evening and welcome to the news. In an unprecedented turn of events, like a volcanic eruption, the ancient city of Benin has been engulfed in a series of armed robbery incidents. A lot of speculation abounds about this Anini gang. Some people say that Anini can operate in more than one place at a time. Some say that he is invincible and cannot be killed or arrested. Yet some believe that he is a spirit. Whoever this Anini is still remains unknown. We shall keep you posted as events unfold. My name is Julius Osigo.
This is thorough embarrassment to the entire Nigerian police force, especially Vendel State in particular. Can you imagine a whole commissioner of police shot down by common criminals? This is highly embarrassing.
How is the commissioner now, sir?
He's been flown abroad for further treatment. Listen, ASP Judge.
Sir,
something drastic has to be done about this Anini and his daredevil gang.
I agree with you totally, sir.
You can't imagine the IG himself was asked as an AFRC meeting by the head of state and Anini and his gang.
If you ask me, I must tell you that the 10,000 naira ransom placed on Anini's head is too meager.
I agree with you totally, sir. Nobody would be willing to die for such meager amount.
Sir, especially when everybody thinks that Anini is a spirit that can appear anywhere and more than one place at a time, sir.
Sir, this whole Anini saga has betrayed all logic and police training we have had all these years. Just yesterday, an informant came and told us of Anini's operation somewhere, and we stormed the place. Before we got there, they said they had left 5 minutes before we got there. This whole thing is frustrating, sir. Very frustrating.
Alright. I will attend to that later. By the way, why are your other officers not in their uniform?
Sir, it is like this Anini and his gang have something against anybody in uniform, sir.
You are dismissed.
Officers approaching.
Men attention!
Gentlemen, the Nigerian police force will no longer be embarrassed. Nobody, and I repeat, nobody is above the law. A group of untrained, unscrupulous, unskilled armed robbers have destabilized the peace and the tranquility of this state. Evil men succeed because the good men fail. I believe there are a few good men amongst you. I will find you out, and together we will bring an end to this insult. The IG is embarrassed. The head of state is insulted. And I am angry. I can't tell the difference between some of you so-called law officers and the thieves on the streets. You, come here. Is this the face of the Nigerian police? ACP Ops. I want all the unit commanders and the OC squadrons in my office right away. Yes, sir. Let's go! Come here. I'm even loving no man that more. Anini. Ali has the law. Now, rise up. Rise up. I don't want to kill you. I want to make you go tell your commissioner, say, now me love is no man that more. Anini. I never finished with the police yet. When I finish with the police, I will face people like Una. You see? You go fit describe this type of bank robbery. The law. Yeah. Wow. The law that information. Pay all. I tell you. I said that your advice. I don't tell you. Don't just say that. You see the way the law, just clear those 2 AK with in front of the bank. What, hold God? Yes, the that one. That one way, hold God, One run. You mean I say one run? I pay. That one way, hold God. You make one make you just
fire you, eh? Now, give us so just carry the gun one time. Yeah. If you see the way you take it, and also enter the bank, everybody with it there. As I just dive, enter the counter. Water. The man. Oh, that's my guy. The man. That's my guy. Picking the place in my mouth. I tell you. Okay, we bab 48K, man. So as usual now, before we share the money, we will carry all this ammunition, gather together, plus the gun. We will go give it to that Alaji where they take Sami Road. The law, which can't be this now? Which can't be this now? Molly, cool down now. The law they talk to you, you don't talk like this. Just go make me remember Babake. I wish Babake stay here now, eh? Before we go to connect people. Come here, I tell you, eh? Let it be the very first and the last time. Get the thing when they say they play. Eh? The law no vex. The law, that's all right. Ofege, your share na 5,000 naira. The law! Hey! What's that? Your share na 5,000. The law! No, how are you here now? Money? The law. Your share na 5,000 naira. The law. The thing is say, I will add join your money. The law. Because now you bring information and information correct. We act on that. So your share. Take that. The law. I don't keep for also bottle. Don't say the go organize that shoe just now. So the thing what happen is say my own share for inside na 15,000 naira. Then law, I will keep this 8,000 naira. We'll keep am for police settlement and any other expenses. So no problem now. Problem the law. All those settlements, all those AK people. I hope say they don't go call Yawa anyhow. Hey, look, I know how Babake they do those days. Oh, they always make me remember Babake. Let I tell you, Babake, he's a thief, but the own thief get respect. Now manager of thief na him be. So when they settle and everything wey they do very careful. That's why I say make we be careful for the thing wey we dey do. Okay, that's now one. Secondly, look we start our ammunition. Obvious? Yes. Check whether how do they start? This guy really bomb my hand. Where did they go? Monday, come here. Come here. Alan, are you? Come on. How you doing? I did now. Where Lawrence? Lawrence, you're there for up and now. Where you they come from? Where you they go? No be. I just go eat for Mama Monday at restaurant. I say make a pass and they go out. Why you they lie? No, I'm not lying now. Come. Monday, I hear say you don't go scatter bank for Agbo. Eh? Well, not they hear that kind of thing now. We'll not go anywhere. Anyway, not be our squad, now they investigate them. You know, consign us. Come say to us, make we come out here. What you carry for that bag? Nothing there. Eh? You want me to take everything from you? Just small money. How much? 6,000. And not be only me get the money, sir. Come. Cut me to two. Make give us one part. Make you come out here. You don't know how. You say Lawrence did the house offer. One day, I beg you not. One day, you go
What is this? What is this? I ask you for Adiri and you bring me this? Juju? What is this, for God's sake?
Sir, they had sophisticated weapons. Those boys engaged my men for over 40 minutes.
My friend, take this thing away.
I have a second plan.
At least now, sir, we know they cannot vanish.
My friend, what are you talking about?
These things work, sir. They are potent. And this is Benin, sir.
Am I not a Benin man? Vanish or no vanish, is this not blood?
If the man bleeds, it means that he's not a spirit. It means that he can be apprehended.
Sir, I have something for your personal attention, sir.
My friend?
Sir!
Is it yours?
Sir.
I think we should implement strategy B.
Right, sir.
What do you have?
Sir, a letter intercepted from the robber's car. A written to the police by the robbers are implicating some senior police officers. Irowa, Yamu, and the rest of them, sir.
All of this? Have all these officers locked up, detained, interrogated?
Sir.
Call my PA for me.
Okay, it's okay. It's not too serious, but you, we have to remove the bullet lodged inside the body. No, we can't do that right now. There are too many people around. Let's say about 12 midnight. It's just 7 p.m. now. You can't go. This way, no, go. Come on. You don't need time. Go. I'll be waiting. Please come. Go. Don't forget, 12 midnight, eh?
Don't care whose off is God. Those officers in detention should not be released until we complete our investigation. Any of them found guilty will be prosecuted. So Pretender, what news do you have?
Well, some people came in from Igor this morning to inform us that a man with bullet wounds was taken to a native doctor there.
So, how reliable is that information?
Very reliable, sir. But the person who gave us the information has given us very useful information in the past, sir.
Superintendent, those informants double deal. They take information to both sides. To take some time out and verify their claims. What leads do you have?
Yes, sir. Well, from the investigations, the constant style of this gang revealed that they frequent Yekurion, either to seek for spiritual help or as base to retreat when we are hot on their trail. So my suggestion, sir, is that we carry out a series of raids to the villages and to every household that knows about Anini's whereabouts.
Yes.
At least it would have narrowed their hideout options.
Okay, you go ahead with that angle. But I want results. I was not recalled to Benin to come and split melon. I want results. Superintendent, sir, you're dismissed.
Sir.
The officers in detention, George, Sonny, and the rest of them, are they talking?
Not yet, sir. They are still feigning innocence. They will rot there. When we're ready for them, we will prosecute them accordingly.
Okay.
I don't know where it's there. I don't know. I can't lay my head. Oh, no, I
Is your son in Ibadan or not?
I don't say it gets to market for Ibadan. But I am a man to go to man go out and man I know. My chicken are beautiful. Oh my God! My chicken are beautiful. Oh my
Good evening and welcome to BBS TV News. In a dramatic twist of events last night, a member of the Anini gang, Friday Homa, alias Ofege, was arrested. The police spokesman said he has made useful statements that are now helping the police in their investigation.
I think they pay you 1,000 every month, I mean, to take care of us. So why would bring Ofege Kaya? What you do? It's not my fault. Shut up! You got that AK, so with the car, the police were after me. They threatened to. When they fire him now. Mogo.
The first and second strategy will be to cordon all of those major areas that Supol has mentioned.
And the other places. Well, I've always agreed with that. My fear is that there must always be a backup team to minimize casualty. Yeah, especially with the civilians, yeah? And let them come in. Come in, officer.
Sir, we just had an information that Anini is between second and third circular right now, sir.
Right now?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Subo, take a detachment of your boys, investigate his claims. Okay, and move in.
Right, sir.
Sir, why don't we take a combined team and then they break up into 3 points and go to all of these strategic areas, move in at the same time to the target?
Right away.
All correct, sir. Action! Station 5-4! Sir!
I want Anini alive.
Sir! Yes, sir! 5-4! 4!
How you want to know?
I go my mama village. And from there, I go mobilize. face all these police. I will show these police people, I will show them, I will tell them, say, don't be as they call Papa, don't be so that they call Mama.
Finish, kill them, remain only you. You no more here. Now, so you go do something, they go catch you or even kill you. I beg, I don't want bastard.
They did not mean to talk to you like that. So you don't reach like that. Okay, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I mean, you go rise again. And when I rise there, that time, you go smell your head.
I just advise you. But I mean, you pack another time until this wahala finish.
That one go hard. That one go hard.
Come down.
Now, all the money wey me and my gang don't make, not be so settle with the use and settle police. Eh? Not the police with the use and settle. Now I can't suffer now, go build a supermarket for everybody. Police go destroy her. Abi? They destroy her, destroy all the properties. I wish that one day, I think I forgot about Donna, say make I go hide for them. Eh? Now they go destroy her. Look, the same police where they give us information, and the same police that they give us gun, and the same police that they give us ammunition, and the same police that they harass us. We will not settle. And if you not settle police better, that we say police catch armed robbers. My leg.
Where's Anini?
I don't know.
No, not be me the enemy.
My friend, where's Anini?
Not be me the enemy.
Where is he?
Not be me, I don't be enemy. Not be me the enemy.
Move. Where's Anini? Where's Anini?
The enemy there is inside.
Where's Anini?
Enemy there is inside.
Shut up.
Gentlemen,
we have Anini.
police scatter my legs so they cut one of them. I not blame the sha, because if I not be habitual thief, waiting for consign me and police, waiting for consign me and them. And on the other hand, my police now will go blame you, because if police not they give you ammunition, if police not they can't take settlement from me, if police not they give me information, I for not they go rob. And if person no rob, if person no say if he rob, say na die go die, he no go rob again. So I want to use this opportunity to beg government, make them forgive me. Because if government forgive me, I will join police now to remove all the armed robbers waiting for Bender State.
My lord, let us look beyond the issue of the robbery per se and focus our minds on the circumstances leading my client, Lawrence Anini, towards committing those crimes. I put it to this honorable tribunal that my client, Lawrence Anini, was acting under some form of mental delusion when he committed those crimes. You know, my client was being influenced by some higher spiritual forces and therefore lacked the capacity to exercise his free will. How can my client be punished by law when his case was that of diminished responsibility and of course the necessary ministerial was absent and during the so-called purported crimes he committed? My lords, my client Lawrence Anini acted strictly under divine obedience and therefore should be exonerated. Thank you.
My lord, I dare to say that the prosecution failed to prove the complicity of my client in all the 4-count charge brought against him. My lord, as you know, crime can only be committed against states, persons known to law, and property. And because ACB Agbo was not a juristic person, crime cannot be said to be committed against it.
After a careful deliberation on the evidence and summation of witnesses, we will now place the prosecution case side by side with the defense of the accused persons. As far as Lawrence Anini is concerned, he made a clear statement about his participation in the robbery. His defense was raised feebly towards the end of his testimony in court, is that he was under some delusion. As for Ahanwam, Idahosa, and Iwebelua, we are very satisfied that their confessional statements wherein they admitted participating fully in the act of robbery in Abo on October 22, 1986 were free and voluntary. We have found no evidence to the contrary. In our view, the retraction of the confessional statement at the hearing is an afterthought and an ingenious attempt to look for an escape route. We consider that in the contents of this case, Monday Osumbo is an accomplice. We are satisfied that his evidence was substantially corroborated by the confessional statement of Ahanwam, Idahosa, and Iwebelua, as well as an oral evidence of Lawrence Anini. This, in our view, proves Osumbo's participation. We now turn to the case against Sonny and Ojukwu. We are also of the settled view that even if Sonny and Ojukwu got 3,000 naira from Osumbo on October 22nd as alleged along Siloko Road immediately after the robbery, they did not in law commit the offense they have been charged with in count 1, 2, and 3. The charge against DSP George is laid in count 4, wherein it is stated that he aided the gang by selling an army rifle G3 to Anini. In law, any person who is present at the commission of an offense and who encourages the principal offender to commit the offense is liable for the offense committed. It means, therefore, that DSP George is liable for aiding commission of an offense in which an army rifle G3 Exhibit 6 was sold to facilitate a crime. In concluding our judgment, I would want to remark that though Lawrence Anini would forever be remembered in the annals of Nigerian crime history, but it will be of unblessed memory. Few people, if ever, will give the name to their children, and while the name itself may be worthless, his inspired sketches made under chains will be of value to students of criminology. DSP Judge. You, a man who was so ruthless with criminals, a man so much in love with his gun in defense of his country, reneged when your country needed you most. May God have mercy on your soul. All the accused persons, apart from Inspector Sonny and Sergeant Ojukwu and Professor Ayo, hitherto referred to as the 4th and 7th accused persons, are hereby convicted.
Hey, thank God. Hey, praise the Lord. Make them help me pay my children, make them become graduates. I'll go release her. This die when I want to die, so will not be my death.
We don't do this thing now. You know, the person go mental for you.
I don't know anything. They do a quick. Why do they keep us down? So, give me cigar, give me cigar.
The cigar don't finish.
My hand not there for all these things. I don't talk, say I go thief for my life. I don't even talk, say I go carry gun for my life. I beg. On your knees! I want to see one. Upo Pagbon, no legame, always be e come ya si beba. Umere wo mi wa fani ready. I don't. Hey, running. Running.